Hey, welcome to our channel where we explore the latest trends in marketing and business growth. Today, we've got something truly game-changing to talk about. We're going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT to build an entire marketing campaign from start to finish. Yes, you heard that right. An AI-powered marketing revolution that's about to transform the way you do business. Now, what if I told you that you could harness the incredible power of AI to create compelling marketing strategies that drive results without breaking a sweat? Well, stay tuned, because we're about to reveal how ChatGPT can be your secret weapon for crafting marketing campaigns that convert and captivate your audience. Today, we're going to take you through a step-by-step journey, showing you how to utilize ChatGPT's capabilities to design and execute a marketing campaign that's bound to leave your competitors in the dust. Let's dive into the first section, the AI marketing revolution. AI is transforming the marketing landscape. It's not about machines replacing humans, it's about machines enhancing what we do. ChatGPT can analyze vast amounts of data, generate content, and predict customer behavior like never before. Now imagine having an AI marketing assistant that can help you create data-driven campaigns that resonate with your target audience. Netflix is a prime example. They use AI to analyze user data and recommend personalized content. It's like having a personal movie curator. The AI marketing revolution is here, and ChatGPT is your ticket to ride the wave. Now let's move on to the second section, crafting a winning strategy. Now before you can create a campaign, you need a rock-solid strategy, right? ChatGPT can assist in market research, competitor analysis, and identify your unique selling propositions. So imagine having an AI partner that can help you identify market gaps and fine-tune your messaging. Coca-Cola used AI to analyze their social media data and discover what content resonated most with their audience. This data-driven approach led to more engaging campaigns. Crafting a winning strategy becomes a breeze with ChatGPT by your side. Moving on to the third section, content creation and personalization. Creating compelling content that speaks to your audience is a challenge, yes, but ChatGPT can assist in content generation, ensuring your messaging is on point. Imagine having an AI copywriter that crafts attention-grabbing headlines, persuasive product descriptions, and engaging blog posts. Now, the Washington Post used Heliograph, an AI system, to generate over 850 articles during the 2016 Summer Olympics. Now that is content at scale, my friends. Content creation and personalization are elevated with ChatGPT's assistance. Now let's discuss the fourth section, execution and optimization. Executing your campaign is a critical phase. ChatGPT can help in automating responses, tracking user interactions, and suggesting optimizations based on real-time data. Imagine having an AI assistant that ensures your campaigns run smoothly and adapts to the ever-changing digital landscape. Spotify uses AI to optimize its music recommendations based on user behavior. It's like having your own personal DJ. Wiki wiki. Execution and optimization become more efficient with ChatGPT at your service. All right, on to the fifth section, measuring success and learning. Now, your campaign success isn't the end, it's a new beginning. ChatGPT can help analyze campaign performance and provide insights for future strategies. So imagine having an AI analytics expert that can uncover what worked and what needs improvement. IBM Watson analyzes data to understand user sentiment and provides businesses with insights into improving customer experiences. Measuring success and learning from it is enhanced with ChatGPT's analytical capabilities. So by now you've seen how ChatGPT can be your AI marketing companion, revolutionizing your approach to campaigns. From strategy creation to content generation, execution, and optimization, it's an all-in-one solution for businesses ready to leap into the future.
Dive into the world of AI-driven success. Sign up for a comprehensive demo and witness firsthand how B2B Rocket engages, qualifies, and converts prospects effortlessly. It's time to revolutionize your sales process. Sign up now.